Alrighty, hello everybody. We're gonna do something kind of different-ish today. See, I've noticed a common theme, and that is every time I touch this welder, you guys all yell at me and tell me that I suck at welding. Now I'm aware that I suck at welding because I'm not a welder. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go bust out this welder and I'm gonna make a weld or two. And I'm gonna show you guys the settings on the machine and everything like that. And then you are going to critique me and then give me some feedback and tell me how I can become a better welder. So we are now beginning the YouTube school of welding. That's what I'm gonna do today because I think that would be fun. And I think that you guys think that would be fun. So let's all have some fun together. Okay, now I believe step one is going to be to supply electrons to said welder. So let's uncord this. And oh wow, that's a rat's nest. I'll be right back. All right, that issue has been resolved. I will now supply electrons to the welder. Okay, I believe step 2 and 3 will be to turn on said welder and turn on the gas. Here's my gas pressures. I don't know if these are too high or too low. You guys let me know about that. I think that one's tank pressure, and then this is regulated pressure right here. Looks like we're at 15, 16, 17, 19 pounds. Can you see that? Now we have wire speed. Let's just start in the middle. And I think that's up too high, so let's put that on C. In my opinion, I think that this is an acceptable setting. What I'm gonna do is just do some beads on a brake rotor, and we're gonna see if that's gonna work out. Okay, so I'm of the opinion that the connections are not of the best quality, so I'm gonna clean those up a little bit with a polishing wheel. They look a little corroded and dirty and uneven. So let's clean that up for the best possible electrical connection. Just go in there, make some loud noises. All right, better than it was. I see we have a problem here with this cable. That's kind of torn right there, so perhaps I have a machine issue. It should be okay, but let's proceed. Now when it comes to something to weld on, I have selected this scrap brake rotor right here. Now also, from what I understand, is I need to clean and prepare this surface, so I'll use my same little Zizzy wheel for that, just to clean up the area. I think I'll just strike a bead like right here or something like that. There. I believe we are cleaned and prepped, so let's get to it. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna clean one more area here for the plant. Okay, let's clamp that on right there. Let's see how this works out. And I've got my helmet on. You guys can't see, but I can see. So let's let it ride. Okay, I think wire speed was too high. I turned it down to 3. Okay, let's get a wire brush out and see what we've got here. All right, I see a lot of splatter. I guess splatter is not good. So what's causing that? My bead appears to be acceptable. It's not all over the place. I got good penetration out of it. let's do one more over here, and I think I'll turn wire speed down even farther and see what that does. I went down to 2.5. See what happens now. Again, there's a lot of splatter. That doesn't look very good at all. It's not even penetrating. Okay, I'm gonna turn that back up. And I turned up the amps to position D. Let's try that. Okay, that was with more heat. And similar to the first weld, but I think I got more penetration out of it. But again, I've got a bunch of splatter going on here. Yeah, all right, well, time to chime in comment land. What do you guys think? What did I do wrong? What did I do right? This is a learning experience. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Have a great day. I like C better. Welder powering down. Pew!